My name is Zokha Butt, and I am a current student here at the Touro College of Pharmacy. I've always wanted to help people. What better way to do that than the healthcare field? As I was meeting pharmacists in undergraduate, what I would see, clinical pharmacists, like people in the hospital, people working for cancer, for kids, geriatrics, all of that. Touro provides so many opportunities for that. There is not a faculty member that does not want to help you. We've been having actors come in, and today was an immunization counseling. So the experience, it was real. This is really what I'm going to be doing. I feel like that's really good preparation. Usually your advanced pharmacy practice experience is a year, but Touro actually offers it for a year and a half. So it's about 5 extra rotation sites that you get to do, which is way more hands-on experience. Outside of the classroom and outside of grades, having these experiences of working, collaborating, leading yourself or leading others is so important. You're gonna know all your classmates, everyone getting along and everyone knowing each other's names and everyone studying together. Touro gives you the feeling that it's a second family.